How can you fix your Peacock app to work on your smart TV? If the Peacock app on your smart TV isn't working, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. So here is a complete guide. Basically, first step will be like to restart your smart TV and Peacock app. A simple yet often effective solution to minor glitches is restarting both your smart TV and the Peacock app. This can clear temporary cache and data that might be causing issues with the app's performance. After that, basically, just you will need to check your internet connection. Maybe you don't have a stable and consistent internet connection with a minimum speed of 5 mega per second. You will need to try also to update your Peacock app. Check for any available app updates for the Peacock app on your smart TV app stores. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to compatibility issues or bugs. Try also to clear the Peacock app's cache. So the temporary data stored in the Peacock app's cache can sometimes interfere with its functionality. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues like buffering, freezing, or playback errors. So that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.